Hello. So let me just keep it simple. If you keep overtrading meme coins, it is not a strategy problem at all. It's a control problem. And I'm not saying that like in a disrespectful way or anything, but I've done it too. You take one trade, you feel sharp or it loses, but you want it back. That's the problem. Next thing you know, you're taking 6 trades in 6 minutes, and now your account is completely blown. You maybe had $20 in there, $100 in there, one sold, whatever it may be. Right, overtrading usually comes from 3 things: boredom, fear of missing out, and trying to make back a loss quickly. Let's break this down simply. Okay, most meme coin traders don't actually have a trade limit. They just say, I'll trade when I see something that's part of your rules, or part of your rule set. Like if I see a trade that has good hype from Twitter or whatever, and it's in the migrated section, or it's about to be migrated, then yeah, let me take that, right? And when you start to lose, you start to break those rules, right? If you want to stop overtrade for real, you need hard limits, or you need someone to help you through that process. Rule number 1, set a maximum number of trades per day. If you lose after those amount of trades, massive improvement if you can stick to it. A real number, 4 or 8 or 10 or whatever amount that hits you. Where when you hit a number, you're done. Even if the next coin looks absolutely perfect, there will always be another day, there will always be another meme coin. Okay? Rule number 2, predefine your daily loss limit. For example, if you're risking 3% per trade, maybe at a daily loss limit of 6%. That means 2 losses, for example, and then you're done. Okay? If you don't have a stopping point, you will always convince yourself to take one more. Rule number 3, wait 10 minutes before every entry. This alone fixes so many problems. When you see a coin pumping, don't click instantly. Set a timer for around 10 minutes. If you still want to trade after that and it fits your plan, then take it. Most impulse traders die during that 10-minute wait. So another big thing is also tracking. At the end of the day, write down how many trades you took, how many were planned, how many were emotional, how'd the trades go, what could you improve on, right? If you can't measure it, you won't fix it. Overtraders feel productive. It feels like like you're in the market, but most of the time it's just you reacting to movement. Professional traders don't take more, they trade less, and then they wait more, they pass more, basically. The goal isn't to be like active. The goal is to protect your account, for sure. If you're consistently in trades, you're not being disciplined. You're low-key chasing like a simulation of sorts. So here's a challenge. Tomorrow, limit yourself to 2 trades, have a defined stop for the day, and track whether you followed your rules. If you can't follow your rules, no strategy will save you. I have a free Discord, but either way, the Discord is free, so you can join that inside the link in the description right now.